What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing intake manifold, injectors and other things. Let's get it. Welcome to my world. There are a few little bits right here. I've got the thermostat housing, the lifting hooks, the power steering, pump adapter, and we might just clean them up and spray them silver or something, just so they stand out a bit more and they look a bit fresher. But so we're going to install the Flowforce 960cc injectors. We're gonna put the intake manifold on, and we might finish doing up all the front of the motor, and then yeah, that'll probably be today. So let's get it. We have 4 fuel injector adapter harnesses. You get 4 960cc injectors. You also get, so these are my factory fuel rail spacers. Now with the 960cc, you don't actually get an additional fuel rail spacer. I know you do on the 640cc, but not on the 960. You get, these are the top hats. You get 4 blue top hats, also grey ones. They have different diameter, inside diameters. You also get some little synthetic grease. You get top hat fuel filters. You get the injector bottom cushions and the O-rings. Let's assemble these. So for the 960cc injector, you get these. So these are actually bottom cup adapters and these are top cup adapters. How to assemble these? First, obviously take the plastic off that top. Now you just have a raw injector. Take one of the cushions out of the bag, one of the bottom cups, one of the top cups. You need a top hat filter. I'm just going to pour these out. I'm just going to put a little bit of grease onto this O-ring just to make it a bit easier. This should then slide on very easily. Now we take a bottom cushion and slide that over that, like that. Then we take a blue top hat, apply a tiny bit of grease to this one, like so. Then take one of your little Viton O-rings, apply a small bit of grease to that, rub it around, and then on the top hat that goes. And there you have a fully assembled injector. So you have a bottom cup on the bottom there with a bottom cushion, and you have a top hat with a fuel filter basket first in the top, and then an O-ring to seal that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and assemble all of these, and then we're going to put them in with the fuel rail and get cracking. Alrighty, so pretty successful. We got all the injectors in, we got the fuel rail on, and we got all the connectors attached. So it's looking pretty cool. Show you around. There are all the injectors, and I've got the fuel rail on top, which have just sprayed black. But motor is definitely coming along nicely. Ooh, cheeky turbo. But yeah, thanks for watching this little install, guys. That is how you install flow force 960cc injectors into your MX-5. Alright guys, catch you out, have a good one, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.